wallet here, Bitget wallet. So I already showed you my previous video, Toby, about Toby token. So if you don't yet see that video, absolutely I will suggest you to see that video. um, I will keep this video link in the description, or you can check out my channel and you can get this thing. So if I click on that video, maybe you are seeing here $14 worthwhile Toby token, 295 million, token equal $14 worthwhile. So if you noticed here, I already said at that time that don't sell your Toby token yet. I suggest that keep that token or buy that token. And now if you see that it's boom, 5% is increased in this like Toby tokens price. So how amazing is this? Like $8 I gain profit. So entire is profit, I would say $22, because it's airdrop. I get freely, so nothing complicated. Easily I can sell this token, so doesn't matter. So here is, I would say, if you are passionate about airdrop, I will definitely suggest you do that inside of my Telegram channel. I will put this Telegram channel into my comment box. Check out that comment box. Here I will put every airdrop that will provide you cash flow. Okay, so now just click on comment box and you will get my this Telegram channel link. Immediately join here. So if you noticed here, Toby token, this price is increased day by day. If it is listed any exchanger, it will be boom, 1000% can be. So however, I just suggest you that if you noticed here, now until now I will suggest you don't sell, keep that. Something will happen, always keep that. Okay, so now this is the thing, the profit will come automatically. Not automatically, it's need to be like a lot of people when they get Toby token $10 worthwhile was, at that time they sold this token, so they didn't get any profit, but they get $10. There's free absolutely, but I gain double. How? It's the like, you need to have mindset that where market will go. Every token, I am sharing with you the key, the secret that I know about cryptocurrency. So the thing is, Toby token I see on the coin market, coin gecko. If you noticed here, okay, I'm going to coin gecko, search here. My phone is hacking slightly, sorry for that. So if I search on here Toby token, okay, I've already searched, maybe it will be pop up on the search bar in the below. So Toby token, if I search on that, let me see. At that time Toby token uh, wasn't listed any browser, any exchanger, just SushiSwap they were listed. That is the decentralized, I would say dApps, decentralized apps. So if you noticed here, 68.3% increased this price. Now if I click on this market button, if you noticed here, the SushiSwap, its existence is in SushiSwap. You can swap SushiSwap Toby to W Ethereum. Okay, so this is the thing. So if it is anyways listed on any exchanger, it will be boom, it will be boom. Now price is increasing, doesn't matter, you can keep that. But end of the day, if you see, if it is listed in exchanger, biggest Bybit, KuCoin, Binance, this type of, it's would be boom. Now 68%, if you see, increased without listed in any exchanger, it will be like, I can immediately sell this token. Just click on swap and max, and swap button will be pop up, and bam, confirm, done. So I don't wanna sell this token. So this is the video that I wanna update for you. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy